朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Maylin's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make Tom Yum fried rice, and I will show you how to make it. The exact amount and the ingredients are in the description box. Let's get started. Let's start by removing the husk from the lemongrass. We are only using the ends of the lemongrass. Then peel the shrimp and remove the wings. Now cut the tomato and remove the insides. Then chop it up. Cut the hard part off of the lemongrass. Now keep peeling until it gets to the fresh part of the lemongrass. That's the part we want to use. Now gently cut the lemongrass. Now we need a few slices of galangal. Then we need to mix it. Next, soften the lamb to make squeezing easier. I use a fork to get the juice out better. Now take off the leaf from the cilantro to use as garnish. Save the stem and mix it. Mix the lamb leaves. Then mix the garlic. Chop the Thai chili. Then cut the bok choy and mushrooms. Here we thinly slice the salad, but my camera cut off, so it stopped recording. Now let's grind all of the minced herbs. Also add half the chili. It should look like this. Now add the sugar, fish sauce, and soy sauce. Then add the lamb juice. Mix the sauce together. Next, add some cooking oil into a hot wok. Then add the shrimp and cook it. When cooked through, remove from the heat. Then add the salad in. Then add in the chili. Now add bok choy and mushroom to cook. Now add in rice and mix together. Then add in the tomato. Now add the shrimp back in. Then add the sauce. Then mix everything together. Remove from the heat. And it's done!
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! I'm so excited to eat it. I am take a a big bite. It is savory, spicy, tangy, and a little sweet. The shrimp is very tender. It's very fragrant from all the herbs. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。